I don't know if you can see it. It's March 21st, 2011, and there's a Swan here in Ganges Harbor, sort of beside an old shipwreck. And that in the distance there is Moby's, that building. That's where we go dancing. Moby's nightclub, marine pub. And there's the overall view of Kanaka Wharf. Some native arbutus trees. I'm using my old camera, so that's why it's kind of blurry. Some gorse blooming. It's a drizzly morning here on Salt Spring Island, the first full day of spring. And the Swan seems to be quite content just floating around in the harbor. There's a seagull. Cool. Seagulls talking to each other. Maybe they don't like the Swan.